Automatic ice cream machine.
Land area 1 square meter.
One type of milk is available. 2 kinds of crushed fruit. 3 kinds of jam. Overseas. Support banknotes and coins. And credit card payments.
Upon receipt of payment, the robot starts to make ice cream.
Take a cup. Get ice cream. Dusting fruit. Spread fruit jam. Children's window design. Visualize the entire process. Built-in fun robot. Standardized production. Max 30 seconds. Complete smart serving. Tasty. Ice cream is served. Fully automatic unattended. Save labor costs.